8 months ago, I had a well-established healthcare business come to me and ask me to help them with their team culture. They had always had a strong, cohesive team that worked well together, and they seemed to get along. Their reputation was strong, patients and clients were happy, but the owners were experiencing a lot of turnovers, thus they were hiring quickly to fill holes. There was friction developing between the new and existing employees. This was a culture with behavioral challenges that they really had never experienced before. After spending time with the owners and performing individual interviews with every employee, it became very obvious that what once worked for them was not working so well anymore. This business did not have any core values. They relied on job descriptions instead of job scorecards. They paid bonuses based on subjective criteria. They did not have any onboarding process, development, or growth systems. The ultimate recruitment and retention program was implemented in this case. The entire team became involved in the development of the job scorecards, including competency development and core values. It became a team project. The staff turned from hesitant to collaborative through development processes, and the employees then knew that they were the fit, and the ones that weren't left the practice.